To produce some product like crispy fried banana, sweet potato, or jackfruit, the vacuum frying machine is so necessary. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel VinaOrganic. And today, in this video, I will introduce to all of you guys the vacuum frying machine. To produce some product like crispy fried banana, sweet potato, or jackfruit, the vacuum frying machine is so necessary. And we are proud to be a pioneer in researching and manufacturing the vacuum frying machine in Vietnam. So this is the vacuum frying machine that we call MC020, and which is the latest version 2023 from VinaOrganic. And this machine has a high capacity, so it requires strict technical and programming requirements that ensure the quality of the product. And no need to wait anymore. Let's see what's special in this video. And before watching video, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification button to follow all of the interesting videos from VinaOrganic. And vacuum frying technology has been researched by VinaOrganic for the past 10 years. And how to make the product antioxidant while retaining the color, the structure, and all nutritional value inside the product is what we are looking for. So the first thing is about the design. You can see this machine has a modern, sophisticated design with the main material being 304 stainless steel, helping to ensure the machine has a long life, durability over time, especially ensuring food safety. And furthermore, all parts of this machine have been designed to not only achieve a high efficacy, but also meet the technical requirements as well. And we have come up with some improvements to the machine as follows. And the first improvement is the touchscreen control panel, which makes the control system of pressure, temperature, and time easier to control. Moreover, operating plastic lifting mode and frying mode is also more convenient. So through the control system, operating the machine is very simple without the strong technical background. And regarding the frying chamber, so compared to the old one, which were a stainless steel cap, so now we have replaced it to a very transparent heat-resistant micro panel. Thanks to that, we can easily observe the frying process inside the chamber, thereby easily adjusting the machine's operation to be more optimal. And besides, we're still retaining the advantage of the machine like the thick 304 stainless steel design, meticulous and sophisticated processing, which helps the machine have a shiny, modern, and highly aesthetic design. So this improvement is optimal. So as you can see behind the machine, so the cooling and condensation system and the vacuum pump, also the heating system as well. All of parts are supported by the sturdy frame and heavy-duty wheels, so we can easily move the machine around the factory without wasting much effort. And if you want to extend your production, you can place 1, 2, or 3 in cluster like that, so it will enjoy the aesthetic of the factory. And a big promotion at VinaOrganic is when you buy a machine, we will transfer any technology for free to help you feel secure in producing any crispy fried food like banana, jackfruit, or potato as well. And we also provide many vacuum frying machines with diverse capacities such as 1, 3, 5, 10, 30, 50, or 100 kilograms. And they will be designed according to the production needs of customers. And through this video, I hope that you've got useful information about the latest version of vacuum frying machine from VinaOrganic. And if you are interested in a vacuum frying machine or have any question related to food production equipment, please call us for more help and advice. Thank you for watching this video. Goodbye. Machine has been designed to achieve a high efficacy and but meet the technical requirements as well. Okay,